If you're over 50 and walking hasn't improved your balance or helped you lose weight, you might just be missing one simple technique. In this session, I'll guide you step by step to walk in a slower, smarter way that gently activates your muscles, supports your joints, and helps your body burn calories naturally. No pressure, no strain, just calm, controlled movement that actually works. First step. Now we begin the first Tai Chi walking step. Take a gentle step forward with your left foot. Move slowly and stay relaxed. Let the heel touch the ground first. Just the heel at the beginning. Then slowly lower the rest of your foot, rolling from the heel to the middle of the foot, and finally to the toes. Good. Now pause for a moment. Before moving the other foot, slowly shift your body weight forward onto the left leg. Feel the weight transfer gradually. Your back leg becomes lighter and your front leg becomes stable and strong. This slow weight transfer is the heart of Tai Chi walking. Now bring the right foot forward. Again, let the heel land first. Then gently roll the foot down. Heel, midfoot, and toes. Excellent. Keep your movements smooth and quiet. Imagine your body gliding forward like water. Continue practicing this slow step pattern for about 1 minute. Left foot, shift weight. Right foot, shift weight. No rushing. The slower you move, the more your muscles activate, and the more your body begins to burn calories naturally. Slow rhythm. Now let's find a comfortable rhythm. Take a slow step forward. Step, then gently shift your weight. Good. Now another step, and shift. Tai Chi walking is not about speed. It's about smooth, controlled movement. So keep the rhythm simple and calm. Step, shift. Step, shift. Allow your breathing to stay natural as you move. Imagine that you are walking slowly through water. The water creates gentle resistance around your legs. Because of that resistance, every movement becomes slower, softer, and more controlled. Let your body glide forward with each step. Your head stays tall, your shoulders stay relaxed, and your arms move naturally. There is no tension, just steady movement. Focus on the feeling of your feet touching the ground. Heel touches first, then the rest of the foot rolls down. Continue this slow rhythm for about 1 minute. Step, shift, step, shift. This gentle, flowing pace helps your muscles stay active without putting stress on the knees or joints. And over time, this calm rhythm helps your body burn calories in a safe, sustainable way. Balance focus. Now pause for just a moment. Stand comfortably with your feet on the ground and take a slow breath. Notice how your body feels after those slow steps. When we move slowly and with control, something very important begins to happen. Our balance improves naturally. Many people over 50 worry about losing balance while walking. But the secret is not moving faster. The real secret is moving slower and with awareness. When you slow down your steps, your body has more time to adjust. Your feet feel the ground more clearly. Your legs respond more smoothly. And your brain stays connected to every movement. This is one of the reasons Tai Chi walking is so powerful. Each slow step activates the small, stabilizing muscles around the ankles, knees, hips, and core. These muscles don't work much during fast walking, but they play a huge role in keeping you steady and preventing falls. Now gently begin walking again. Take a slow step forward. Step, shift your weight, then step again. Continue this calm movement for about 1 minute, focusing on balance, stability, and smooth control in every step. Core activation. Now, as you continue walking slowly, let's bring gentle attention to your core. Take a slow step forward. As your heel touches the ground, imagine your belly gently tightening. Not forced, not holding your breath. Just a light engagement, as if you are softly drawing your belly inward. Good. Now shift your weight forward. Feel how that gentle core engagement helps your body stay stable and upright. Take another step. Heel touches first, then roll the foot down. Again, lightly activate your belly. This small action supports your lower back. Many people over 50 experience lower back discomfort while walking. Often this happens because the core muscles are not helping enough. But when the core gently activates, it acts like a natural support belt for the spine. Your posture becomes taller. Your steps become smoother. And your back feels more protected. Continue walking slowly for about 1 minute. Step. Engage the core. Shift the weight, then step again. Keep the movement relaxed and natural. Just a soft awareness of the belly, helping your body stay balanced and strong with every step. Continuous walking. Now let's continue moving. Keep the same slow rhythm we practiced. Step forward with the left foot. Shift your weight. Now the right foot. Shift again. Left, right, left, right. Nice and steady. At this point, your body is starting to settle into a natural flow. Your legs are now doing steady, consistent work. Not fast, not forced. Just smooth, controlled movement. This is where Tai Chi walking becomes very effective. When your body moves in a slow, continuous rhythm, your muscles stay active for a longer period of time. The hips, thighs, and glutes begin working together to support each step. These are large muscle groups, and when they stay engaged like this, your body starts burning energy more efficiently. Keep your posture tall. Relax your shoulders. Let your arms move naturally beside your body. Focus on the feeling of the ground beneath your feet. Heel touches first. Then the foot rolls gently forward. Continue this calm, steady walking for about 1 minute. Left, right, left, right. Smooth, relaxed, and controlled. This gentle consistency is what makes Tai Chi walking both safe and powerful for people over 50. Smooth flow. Now continue walking slowly and smoothly. Take a moment to relax your shoulders again. Let them drop naturally away from your ears. Check in with your body. Your neck is relaxed. Your arms are loose. Your steps remain slow and controlled. Keep breathing naturally and comfortably. You don't need to force your breath. Just allow it to flow in and out as you move. Take another gentle step forward. Heel touches first, then roll the foot down. Good. The goal here is effortless movement. Not pushing, not straining, just a calm, steady flow of motion. Around this point in the session, many viewers begin to notice something interesting. Their legs start to feel warmer. That gentle warmth is actually a good sign. It means your muscles are becoming more active and your circulation is improving. Blood is moving more freely through the legs, bringing oxygen and energy to the working muscles. This is one of the benefits of slow Tai Chi walking. Even though the movements are gentle, your body is still doing meaningful work. Continue walking smoothly for about 2 minutes. Step, shift, step, shift. Let every movement feel calm, natural, and easy on your joints. Great job today. You showed up, you moved slowly, and that's exactly how real progress begins. If you enjoyed this session, take a moment to subscribe to the channel and join me for more gentle, effective Tai Chi walking. And I'd love to hear from you. How did your body feel during this practice? Leave a comment below and tell me where you're walking from today. Remember, small, slow steps done consistently can lead to powerful changes over time. I'll see you in the next session.